Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Polar Pattern, and Hole. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. And these are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XY plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Now, activate the hexagon sketch tool and then sketch the hexagon at the origin. Assign the dimension. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 20 millimeters. In step 2, we remove material from the created part with the help of the Pocket tool. These are the dimensions that we need for the first sketch. Select the top face and then activate the sketch tool. Click the External Geometry command and select the edge for the reference. Sketch the circle with a diameter of 76 millimeters at the origin. Convert the circle to construction curve. Now, constrain the circle to the reference curve. Next, activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the horizontal axis. Now, constrain the rectangle tangential to the small circle and to the reference line. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 10 millimeters. Next, we create the hole with a radius of 6 millimeters. Select the curved edge and then activate the Hole tool. In this dialog window, set the depth to 10 millimeters and the diameter to 12 millimeters. Now, we create the other cutouts with the help of Polar Pattern tool. Select the pocket and the hole and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base Z axis and set the occurrences to 3. In step 3, we create the cylindrical part with a radius of 20 millimeters and height of 30 millimeters. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. sketch the circle with a radius of 20 millimeters at the origin. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and then extrude it by 30 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we create the position for feature with the FreeCAD, Extrude, Hole, Pocket, and Polar Pattern tools. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference edge to constrain the new sketch. Constrain the circle tangential to the reference edge. Activate the Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle which starts from the vertical axis. Constrain the rectangle tangential to the circle. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Next, select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 30 millimeters. Now, we create the hole with a radius of 6 millimeters. Select the curved edge and then activate the Hole tool. In this dialog window, set the depth to 50 millimeters and the diameter to 12 millimeters. Next, we remove material from the created part. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, extract the reference edge. First, sketch roughly the shape of the profile and dimension it later. Now, assign the dimensions according to the drawing. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option Symmetric and set the length to 24 millimeters. Select the last Pad, Hole, and Pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base Z axis and set the occurrences to 3. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.